Let me see. Okay. Come on, guys. You can do it.
Well, coming up next is event number 22, the Inter-Business Houses and Clubs Open Final. And from there we'll have all the other categories as well. The Inter-Corporate Women National Championship.
Grey color.
And from the sound of the horn marks the start of event number 22 right here for the Singapore Dragon Boat Festival 2007. This is the final for the 10-meter pool race of the Inter-Business Houses and Clubs Open. Here are the teams in lane number 1. We have the team from Kia Splash Team A. Kia Sports Club is in lane number 2 right next to them. And next to them is the mighty team of Southstar Team B. National Junior College Alumni Team B is in lane number 4 together with Mountbatten Constituency Sports Club in lane number 5. Lane number 6 is Safra Team A. Once again, it's an 800-meter distance, and what a sight as we see all the 6 teams coming down the side of the Reservoir at the Water Adventure Sports Center for the Singapore Dragon Boat Festival 2007. Well, just heading towards the tail end of the event, we're climaxing to the 1 kilometer Prime Minister's Challenge Trophy. In the meantime, here are keenly contested teams of the Inter-Business Houses and Clubs Open Category Final. Right now, as they head towards the first ball, it looks like it's a level playing field. No distinct leader at this point in time, but looks like lane number 5, Mountbatten Constituency Sports Club, is setting the pace for the rest of the field to follow. This is certainly a keenly contested one, a very level, all of them qualifying at almost very close times from yesterday's heats. So here they come towards the second, approaching the second ball, 800-meter distance. It's many hours of practice for these teams. Once again, it's not so much about power, but more of synchronizing with your teammates as we see them, some of the teams doing very well in this event time and time again in all the various races from yesterday. Some tired arms out there, but certainly not showing any sign of timers is in the lane number 5, Mountbatten Constituency Sports Club. They're leading the rest of the field together with lane number 6, Safra Team A. And then is lane number 4, the team from National Junior College Alumni Team B. That's how they're standing as they head towards the second last board, just about approaching to the 400-meter mark. It's still looking that way. Lanes number 4 and 5 heading the pack. Trailing behind is National Junior College Alumni, currently in third place. But will any of these teams pick up their paces? Well, I'm sure they will, as most of these teams have reserved the best for last, just doing the last charge right to the very end in the last 100 meters or so. Here they come, and as they pass by, you do cheer them on, even though you're not a member of these teams, but certainly not an easy task for some of these teams. Some tired arms once again from yesterday's race all the way till today. Here they come, passing by the midway point to the last 200 meters. Lane number 6 is pacing themselves really well. Safra is Seeper. Well, Safra seems to be in second place right now, passing by the second last boy, marking the 200-meter distance. Lane number 5, Mountbatten Constituency Sports Club, leading from start to finish, still holding on to the lead. Right next to them are Safra Team A in second place right now. And it's an open field for third place right now, as we see lanes 2, 3, 4 all battling it out. Here they come towards the last finishing line, 150 meters to go. Which of these teams is going to pick up speed? We can safely hear some of the whistles getting faster. Something with Rugby's getting faster, but still not changing the leadership at all. Up now, Badminton to 20 first up, holding on to the lead at the bottom of the quarter of first lead from Safra Team A. Right now, look at lane number 3, Safra Team B making the move right now, increasing the work rate relatively faster than the rest of the field. But lane number 5 still holding on to the lead, and Charlie's sheer determination is what now Badminton to 20 first up is in right now. They are leading just about a quarter of first lead from lane number 6, Safra Team A. Then Team B of Safra also trailing behind in third place right now. What a performance from lane number 3 right now. Facing themselves really well, coming in as champions is lane number 5. Now Badminton to 20 first up, followed by Safra, Team B, and Safra coming completing this race for the Indian Business Houses and Club Open Final 10-member race.